Alright guys, here we are with Kodi. I'm running it on Retropie. If you run into a problem where you have no sound on your videos and you're getting this little mute signal down here, on top right corner, no matter what you do in the sound configurations or in your Raspberry Pi, it has nothing to do with that. I found out the hard way. I was trying to close the Kodi and I pushed every key on the keyboard to try to figure out how to end the program to go back to Retropie, and couldn't figure out, so I just unplugged it. But in that process I muted my Kodi with the keyboard. So if you press F8, it turns the mute on and off. So I'm not sure if that's on every keyboard, but on this Kodi, if you press F8, it mutes and unmutes, and there's no way to unmute it by clicking on the bottom sound, no matter how much you turn it up. So hopefully that works for y'all if y'all having a no sound issue. It's a simple button on the keyboard. Alright.